With Secure Mail, you can take complete control over your email. We allow you to export your emails to another resource. After you logged into your Secure Mail account, click on the Secure button. On the upper left of the screen, click on the Data button. You will now be in the Data Export screen. Here you will be able to customize your export experience by selecting or deselecting the items that you do or do not want to export. On the right-hand panel, you will see the data settings. If you wish to select a specific range of data export, you may do so here, but this is completely optional. If you do not set a range, the backup process will dump the entire mailbox. Once you are ready to export, click on the red Export button. When you click on this button, the system will process and build your export archive. Depending on the size, this may take some time before the download is ready. Once the list is ready, the button will change to Download Ready. Click on this button and you will be asked to save the file onto your device. You will also receive an email notification in your own inbox which will give you the link to download your email archive. Additionally, you may also use API functionality with your export. For additional instructions, please refer to the red Instruction button, which will give you in-depth details of this process.